Discover Zeneara, the breakthrough formula designed to support your hearing health naturally. Each capsule contains 7 clinically proven ingredients like passion flower powder for stress relief, vitamin B6 for overall wellness, and zinc to boost your immune system. Plus, Ginkgo Biloba improves circulation, while the probiotic blend and taurine help promote digestive and nerve health. Valerian root ensures relaxation, key for reducing ear-related issues. Zeneara is 100% natural, made from non-GMO, plant-based ingredients, and is easy to take daily. When you order 3 or more bottles, get a free bonus guide on stress management. Order 6 bottles and enjoy free shipping plus a 365-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free for an entire year. Take charge of your hearing health today. Click the link in the description to learn more and grab your Zeneara bottles now.